Think creating a luxurious interior needs a big bank account? What if I told you I transformed my space with just $50? Hi, today, I'll take you behind the scenes of my budget-friendly home makeover. Stick around to see how small changes can make a huge impact. I get it, you want your home to look amazing, but everything feels expensive. I've been there too. But what if I told you that with creativity, you don't need to overspend? Let me show you how I tackled this challenge. 1. DIY magic. I had these old glass jars lying around. A bit of paint and twine later, voila! Chic vases for free. 2. Thrifting adventures. I found this vintage lamp for $5 at a thrift store. A quick polish turned it into a centerpiece. 3. Simple fixes. The walls looked dull, so I added my signature ModernTattooArt wall stickers. Instantly, the vibe transformed. Look at this before and after of my living room. A little paint, some greenery, and creative hacks brought it to life. And guess what? All of this cost less than dinner at a fancy restaurant. Designing your dream space doesn't mean breaking the bank. It's about resourcefulness, creativity, and making each piece count. Have your own budget-friendly tips? Drop them in the comments. And hey, if you want more affordable design inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe.